Hello guys, welcome back to our Agentic AI Cycle for Software Automation Testing series part 5. In this part, we are going to add a DOM scanner agent into our Agentic AI Cycle for Software Automation Testing. So why do we actually need this agent? Well, when we create the test cases manually, we first try to understand the user story, also analyze the UI to know what fields and elements are present on the screen. That's understanding help us to write accurate and meaningful test cases. Similarly, in our AI driven cycle, we need an agent that can automatically analyze the application DOM structure, just like a tester visually scans the UI. This helps our test case designer agent to generate more accurate and compressive test cases based on real elements from the application. Now, let's talk about the features of the DOM scanner agent. It can analyze the complete DOM structure of the application. Also, it automatically fetches all web elements as well as their attribute values in the JSON format. Also, it maintains this information as history in the cycle, which helps later in the generating automated test scripts accurately. Alright, let's move on and see the live demonstration of the DOM scanner agent in action. Now this is our CrewAI environment. So in the last part we were executed requirement agent and the test case agent. Now in this part we are going to execute DOM scanner agent in the cycle. Now this is our DOM scanner agent. So the role of the agent is like DOM scanner. The goal of the agent is to scan the web page DOM structure of the provided URL. Based on that, it can generate the test cases and provide structured selector. So it is helpful for our automation test script generation. So backstory is like you are the DOM scanner agent. Your responsibility is to parse web pages, extract DOM elements. Based on that, generate accurate test cases and provide clean structured JSON so that the automation agent can generate test scripts accurately. Along with that, I assign the tool model name and the API key also. So the task of the DOM is like scan all the provided URLs and return DOM including hidden and dynamic elements. The expected for output is like JSON containing visible, hidden and dynamic DOM elements. And I assign the DOM scanner agent to the task. Now, now we are going to add it in our execution flow. Like first of all, we need the user story, so I assign here the user story. So our first agent is requirement agent, which can analyze the requirement and generate the testable requirement. Based on that, the DOM scanner agent is coming and it can scan the UI, and after analyzing the UI it can generate accurately test cases based on the UI structure and the testable requirements. So we are going to add here. So here I am copying his name, DOM scanner agent, paste it here. Then add a task of the DOM scanner agent, which name is scan DOM, and then I'm going to import here the agent as well as the task. Now we are successfully adding our DOM scanner agent. Let's see the execution. Opening the terminal. First of all, let's delete our test case folder so that after adding the DOM agent, it can generate new folder of the test cases. So now let's see here, there is no any test case folder. Firstly, we are going to activate our CrewAI environment and then we are execute our execution file. The execution will start. So now our execution is started and our first agent is like requirement agent, which can analyze the user story. Based on that, it can generate the testable requirements. So see here, the analyzer agent can generate the testable requirements. This is the final answer of requirement agent. After that, our DOM scanner agent is come and it can scan the DOM structure. So in the tool input, our provided URL is passed. Based on that, the tool output is like it can scan the all web pages and the elements and store it in the JSON format. So now the DOM scanner agent is also going to the second page and scan its output also. So this is the inventory page. So on inventory page, it can scan all the elements and its attributes required in our generating test scripts. Now it's going to the inventory page with ID also. After that, it can scan all the web pages which are in the our application. So these are the web pages, so that it can analyze now the cart page and its element, then checkout page. See here, our test case agent is also executed and the folder is generated. So let's see. First of all, we can study the analyzer agent. Based on that, it can generate all the elements and its attributes, and the test case designer agent is coming and it can generate the positive and negative test cases on each scenario as well as the testable requirements. So this is the response of our test case design agent. See, the message is like test cases are saved successfully in the test case folder source demo file. So it generated positive test cases is 8 and negative test cases is 13 in the BDD Gherkin format. So let's see the test case file. So this is the login functionality feature. So scenarios related to the login functionality. Then it can generate the scenarios related to product and selection. Then add to cart, then cart verification, then checkout initialization, enter checkout information, order summary, and order completion. So as per this type, we can successfully execute our 3 agents, that is this requirement agent, DOM scanner agent, and the test case design agent. As per this type, it is successfully generated the test cases with the help of the DOM structure. Now in the coming part, we are going to generate the test scripts based on the automation engineering. So thank you for watching the videos. If you have any question, please write down in the comment box. Thank you.